Alright then, so obviously I need to change out my chain. This one kind of fell off, but either way, it's pretty dull. Try sharpening it, doesn't work, so I'm just going to try to swap it out. Right, how hard can it be? So this little thing came in with the chainsaw. First time I'm doing this, so it'll be a surprise. Let's take the cover off. That's tight. Alright, there it is. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. Let's see. Looks about right. Put this in. Alright, so I think the only trick here is lining up the tension pin with the hole on the saw, so try doing that. And I'm nowhere close. Alright, try that again. That seemed to do it. Probably hand tie these guys. Alright, and now just go ahead and tighten this bolt. Just making sure that's in. Hey, look at that. That seems pretty tight. Other side. So I have a little room. I think that's right, but I have no idea.